Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a little snack I've been eating for I can't tell you how long. My mama used to make it for me. She didn't put the garlic in it and the carrots, but I've got cucumbers cut up, onions, and carrots. And you put some garlic, and black pepper on there, and season it to taste. Put you a good little bit of olive oil, and the rest of it you take and fill up with vinegar. Let that set overnight, and that makes a good meal when you just got the hungries. Just something to eat to kind of ward them off in between meals. I've been eating more snacks like this. This helped me lose right at 30 pounds. So I keep some in the refrigerator and keep it ready to eat. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.